Hey there, gamers.
Should I just be in the back singing fucking Duel of the Fates the whole video?
No. Hey there, Morrowind gamers. Shut up. So yeah, today we're playing more Morrowind. I'm gonna adjust the video settings accordingly.
Yeah, Evan's gonna be playing Morrowind because this is his series.
I'm
just gonna be sitting here.
I might throw you into it a little bit, just a little bit.
I really can't help you, stranger.
Oh, why are there so many people talking at once?
You just wake up. Yeah. You just wake up to a bunch of people huddled around you for no reason.
There's our boy.
What the fuck who the fuck are you people?
There's our boy.
I just took a nap.
There he is. There's our boy.
Alright, mate. Shay Scrumpular is back.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing something interesting. It's something different. This isn't stuff for the main quest. This isn't the Fighters Guild quest. Okay, I might get into some of the main quest and Fighters Guild stuff if I have time, but this part, voice crack. This this part is going to be something that's a little unnecessary, but it's necessary for me in any of my playthroughs of this game because I am getting a pair of boots. I'm not going to explain it.
Oh god.
I'm not going to explain it, but I'm getting...
Oh god, the boots of blinding speed.
No, Colin, shut up. I'm getting a pair of boots that are probably my favorite item from any video game.
And you I think anyone who plays this game, who's ever played this game, is gonna know what we're talking about. So I don't know why you're not wanting me to say it.
I'm sure this is important, but I really must.
So, there's a little tutor roll for you.
Tutor roll.
But this is coming from me, so this is gonna be unreliable.
Did you borrow that?
Yeah.
At least you're honest about it.
Like this isn't gonna be a good tutorial. Travel. So you gotta travel to Caldera. Now, normally my routine for this would be to get out of here and steal all the alchemy stuff from this room, but this time I'm not gonna do that yet.
Yet.
I may do that in the future if I haven't already.
You're gonna be a good citizen for now.
Yes. Okay. Now this is normally the point in here where I would realize that I'm supposed to be heading north and accidentally head south, but I will actually head north this time. What is it? Don't shove the lightsaber up your ass. Colin's shoving a lightsaber up his ass, just so you guys know.
Not just any lightsaber. The legendary scream saber.
The cock and ball torture saber.
Yeah. How many times have we used this in videos? Like that we haven't cut out? Like once or twice?
Yeah. Okay, so once you see this naked Nord, which I will, you know what, the rest of this today, after we're done getting the boots, you know what, no, we'll have his quest be along with the boots.
Is that David Bowie?
We'll have his quest be along with the boots. So, okay, hail and well met, stranger. As ye can plainly see, I require some assistance if ye be kind enough to grant it. I need help finding the festering witch who has robbed me omni-blind and left me for dead. Yeah, I can help you. I'll find her.
What foul magic has robbed you of your trousers?
She took away his prized possession, an axe called the Cloud Cleaver.
And his pants.
That I'm definitely not going to kill both of them just so I can have the axe.
that is definitely not something you would do.
It's definitely not something I've done in every other playthrough of this game.
Sir Scrumpular is just like the living embodiment of being chaotic ritual.
Yeah. And even then, I think morally he's still one of our best characters. Okay, now this is the point where this happens every time for me, where I don't know what direction to go in at that fork in the road.
What about the suicide prevention clown?
Yeah.
And the encouragement clown.
There's the witch. There's the witch. We're going in the other direction. I found her, but I need to find some boots instead. That's more important.
The suicide encouragement clown still gets to me.
Yeah.
To this day.
You don't want the suicide encouragement clown to get to you.
No, not like that. I'll be just like sitting there minding my own business, like doing something, playing some fucking Minecraft, and
So, enchanting items glow, and enchanted items glow. So, future Colin, zoom in, maximize. Okay, so I need this Nord to help me out.
As I was saying, like, I'll be sitting there playing some Minecraft or something, and just in the back of my mind, just very faintly.
I forgot I had skooma. Ah, God. Skooma. Oh yeah, I bought that from Creeper last time.
Yeah, I'm creeping.
Okay, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna rest real quick. Just so I can get my stamina back.
I would have laughed if there was more people surrounding you again.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, I'm listening.
Hey there, are you interested in making a deal? Yeah, sure. Look, I am a poor merchant and I'm trying to make my way, blah, 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 blah. She's trying to make her way to Gnarmuk. I'll give you, no, I shouldn't, although it's a dangerous trip. Alright, I'll give you the boots of blinding speed.
Yes!
I'll be overpaying a bit.
Yes.
I'll take you.
I'll take you!
I'll take you to hell!
Please be careful.
He strips off all of his armor.
I'll take you to hell. Nord, can you help me? NordVPN, our sponsor, NordVPN, can you help me?
Shut the fuck up! We're not sponsored by anybody. Raid Shadow Legends, if you want to sponsor us, don't. That's all I have to say.
I'm not giving up that.
Yes, now this is fighting. Thank you for your observation. This is fighting.
This is what it's like.
Wait, is he fighting me?
The noise!
I accidentally hit him! Okay, looks like I have to kill both of them.
Shut up, Scream Saber!
If I have to kill both of them, it's fine. Let me just take some skooma. Let me just take some skooma to help me.
Oh my god.
Dude, I gotta take some skooma to help me with this fight. I gotta take some skooma to help me with this fight, dude.
I can't deal with this.
His intelligence is so low from the skooma. Oh my god, it's like 10. He has an IQ of 10. Big brain, double-digit IQ. Yeah, my IQ in the double digits. Yes, I have to. 2 skooma will bring you down to single-digit IQ if you're Sir Stumpwar.
Oh my god.
2 Jenkums.
Fuck off.
Ah, he's still punching my ass.
Do we want to explain what Jankum is?
Okay, Jenkum is a drug that you get from pee-peeing in a bottle and leaving it to ferment for days.
Yes.
And then you sniff it and you become a gamer. Okay, now I have to fight this Nord too. Yes, it is. Okay, bread restores my fatigue. I'll take some bread.
You got this bread?
Bread has no effect on you. Why? Bread has no effect on you.
Is he allergic to bread?
He's Logan.
Don't call out my man's Logan like that.
He's my man's too.
I love how we talk about our personal friends and then we name them and nobody knows what the fuck we're saying.
Yeah.
You're dead already.
We're talking
Can you
about Logan
please
Paul.
stop?
We're talking about Logan Paul if you guys don't know. We know him. We met him on Craigslist.
While you still can.
He wanted a sum of money for a couch.
He wanted a dead body that he could fill for money.
How does it feel to know death?
Okay,
We answered
this is enough. This is enough.
We answered his Craigslist ad. We killed. Who did we kill?
Your mom.
Yes, we killed our mother. and we gave it to Logan Paul for Craigslist money.
If you
I
want
really
something,
can't
down
help
to
you,
the
stranger.
top.
Yes, exactly.
This is not real. Don't report us to the police.
Do report us to the police. You have no evidence.
Yeah, you'll get yourself in trouble. Fucking idiot. This is probably the best Morrowind recording we've had so far.
Yeah, I'd say, not best for me in terms of luck though.
Yeah, because you fucking.
I accidentally angered the Nord by hitting him while trying to hit the woman with the boots of blinding speed.
You fucking idiot.
You know what? I'll assault that woman and then I'll get the Nord.
No, you said you were gonna get the Nord when you're done with the quest, so you can get the axe.
Yeah, I should probably do that. Or no, I'll kill her and then I will do the quest with the Nord. Oh, okay. I can't have the skooma on me while I'm talking to this person, well, specifically bartering with them, because they'll think I'm trying to sell them drugs.
Do you think the Joker would be a good Let's Player?
Of course.
Which Joker though?
All of them.
I'd probably say Heath Ledger Joker would be the best Let's Player.
I don't care that I bought those items for full price, and even though I don't know, I don't care that I bought those items for full price, even though in the region of this game is based on the Middle East, and it has been customary for hundreds and hundreds, even thousands of years, to barter and haggle instead of paying for stuff for the full price in the Middle East. Like if you go to a market in the Middle East and you pay for something for the full price, you're seen as a fool.
Is that real?
Yes, that's real.
What's this about?
Though I don't think that's why this game has a bartering system. I think it has one because every other Elder Scrolls game had one.
Yeah. It has a bartering system. Is that what barter sounds like? I don't remember.
Yes. That's perfect. Bartering system.
That's why you gotta get the boots of blinding speed.
Yeah.
So you can become the fastest in the universe.
Boots of blinding speed plus 50 skooma.
That's how you become the fastest in the universe?
Yes. You gotta get that skooma speed. You gotta get the speed by taking speed.
Dude, I can't believe Akira Toriyama was the first fucking manga anime maker to fight so hard for fucking gay rights with Berta and Jace.
Yes.
This is a stupid fucking bit.
You're a stupid fucking bit.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I like how the one major change they did for DBZ Kakarot is that they rule 63 Jace.
Yes. So it would be less gay.
I don't know if I'm pretty sure she's like a completely separate character, but I don't know. I haven't played Kakarot. I'm not much of an anime gamer.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the junction where,
Junction, what's your function?
this is the fork where,
Fork.
yes. The fork in the road. This is the fork. Or the path, rather. Or, it's an unpaved road.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yeah, I don't care. I heard your spiel before. I just gotta rest real quick. I don't have him this time.
Lucky.
Okay, now the thing is, I kind of want to show off these boots and how fast I run with them as soon as I get them, but there's a slight problem with that, and that's you can't really.
When it says blinding speed,
Yeah, okay.
it doesn't mean you're so fast that nobody can see you. It means you're fast, but you also can't see.
Yeah, and if you think Colin's joking, then wait.
What?
I can still kind of see somewhat. Oh, it's because my gamma's up so high. It's because the brightness is up so high. I can still kind of see like the bare outlines of stuff. Like, look at this. Look at this, Colin.
Oh yeah.
That's great. I love that. Though this might come through bad in the recording, and like so like
the brightness might look different when we actually.
Yeah, but just know when we're recording this, I could still kind of see a little bit there.
Yes. Evan is night vision. If we had a pair of night vision goggles at the and now we would see everything.
Okay, now I gotta run back to Caldera, and you know how I'm gonna do that. So,
the secret to gaining like superpowers is to just eat objects that would do that function.
yes. Wait, you're saying it's not? You're saying that's not the secret? Okay, now what I'm doing here is I'm navigating using only the mini-map.
Dude, I've been eating all this titanium and I'm still not invincible.
So I'm navigating using only the mini-map, which is a power you sort of develop if you play even 5 seconds of this game with the Boots of Blinding Speed.
I ate my entire weightlifting kit, and
but
I still have super strength. What the hell?
But despite the fact that I know how to navigate with the mini-map with the Boots of Blinding Speed, that's not how I'm gonna be moving this entire game. Unfortunately.
That wouldn't be fair on the viewers if you played this whole game with Boots of Blinding Speed.
Yeah, you'll see the caveat to this sort of gimmick.
Spit it out or hit the road.
I'm gonna spit you out
Say what you
and hit you.
I'm gonna shit you out. I'm gonna force you and shit.
That's
Is it
vile.
necessary that you speak
Alright,
with me?
mate. My favorite fetish is full.
Okay, now
This is the official headcanon.
so I gotta talk to this one right here, and say, hey, can I join the Mages Guild? Yes, I will join. Whatever. I don't need to take the Mages oath.
I'm waiting.
Imagine, like, you want to join something, and you're like, and they're like, oh, you gotta take this oath, and you're like, nah, but you still join.
You know what? You're a pretty cool guy. We'll let you in. For now.
Yes. Now I have to find the person who has a very
You
special
have
spell that
something
I'm
to
looking
say,
for.
do you?
Is it the one that cures
What do you
blindness?
It doesn't just cure blindness. So there's a very interesting gimmick to this game, and that's if you put on, like, the Boots of Blinding Speed, they have an effect where the effect technically only happens the second you put on the item, but then, like, it also just kind of lingers. So if you have a resist magicka spell that lasts even just for 1 second, but it's the same second that you put on the boots, you're
Can
not
we
blind
hurry this
ever.
along?
So yeah, I need the magnitude to be 100.
I'm sorry if I'm not commentating that much. I'm back here playing Super Monkey Ball.
The duration I can just go 1 second. Ooh,
Should we
that's
play that
not
for
a
the
good
channel?
spell chance.
Do you think we should, viewers? Do you think we should play Monkey Ball for the channel? That's how you. That's how you would see my true inner essence of rage and agony. You thought Chaos Complex had me at my worst. No, you haven't seen anything.
Okay, so this spell, with how I currently have it, you know what? How should I do this? Because this is gonna be really shitty.
We keep doing Joker voices unintentionally.
So this spell currently has a 0% chance. Exactly. Like, exactly a 0% chance of working.
How do you know like a 0.01% chance?
Exactly 0. And it's in the School of Restoration. So I need to find someone that can tutor me, and I will just get my restoration skill up until I can actually use the spell. Restoration, there we go. Okay, restoration again, please.
What if...
Restoration.
How would you feel if you were... This is a hypothetical. This is a good hypothetical. How would you feel if you were jerking off, but then you hear that noise, the upgrade noise, so, and you see a little text box appear that says, penis length skill upgraded.
That would be epic.
And then you realize you're an extra inch.
Okay, my chance has now gone up to 14 for this spell, and I will call it... Well, I learned this from Joel, so I'll call it Thanks, Joel.
How would you feel if you found out Joel is secretly...
I suppose it is my duty to help.
I would cry.
I mean, I'd be happy with it, but
yeah, I would. Yeah.
I'd be confused as fuck.
Yeah, I would cry.
It's like when Ace Hardy commented on our video.
Even though we literally have no idea who he is.
Yeah, we had never heard of him, but apparently he's a rapper. I don't know. All he commented was a fire emoji. Out of completely nowhere, no context. You don't know if this is good or bad.
Wait, I need to make sure that this is the right kind of spell here. It's on touch, meaning it won't work on myself. I have to do it on self. Shit. Shit. I guess I can't call it Thanks Joel anymore since I already used that name, so I'll just call it... I'll just call it E.
Call it fuck you, Joel.
I'll call it Thank Whale.
Whale?
Hole.
Hole.
Thank. Hole. Okay.
And you're calling me a whale.
Can we hurry this along?
Because that's not a good thing to call somebody.
Yeah. Okay, time for a thank her.
Unless I'm honestly calling a whale of a good time.
Having a good time.
Which I never understood that expression. Fuck off, lightsaber.
Yes! Okay, now you guys can see the true speed of this. Look at this crap. Look at this absolute
Press
hot
green
garbage.
so you can suck on a big pee-pee!
Wait, oh shit. Okay, here we go. Oh. Here we go.
It doesn't even look like he's going any faster. He's not, like, moving more intensely at all.
It looks like he's, like, going fast with no effort.
It looks like, you know, like one of those animes where it's like somebody's running, they're late for school, so they're running through the streets and they have a piece of toast in their mouth. That's what it looks like.
Is this on auto run right now? This is not on auto run, what the hell? Okay, I think it's caps lock to
Evan.
run forever. Yes, it is.
Wait, Evan, I'm gonna give you some sound effects. I'm gonna give you some no, I'm gonna give you some accurate sound effects of Sir Scrumpula running right now.
That doesn't sound like running.
That's his feet slapping against the ground.
It doesn't sound like running. That's not running, Colin.
Viewer, close your eyes. Close your eyes right now, and just listen to these sounds.
No, I mean,
and just leave it up to your imagination. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, that was fun and all, but not your noise though. But I think it is very important that I go talk with my buddy Caius Cosatis.
Is that the schematic?
Yes. Yeah. So we can try and get some of the main quest underway. I'll go back for that Nord at some point, but
For that Nord.
I forget his name.
You know the one.
Hail.
You making that sound was like timed perfectly with him saying his name, so it sounded like the S sound was just echoing, like Caius.
I'm a funny man.
Okay, yes, I'm here to discuss orders. Yeah. Ooh, he gave me 200 goldies. Asphalt and Tabulus. Asphalt.
You won't escape
Asphalt.
me, Daddy.
Shit!
What is Case beating the shit out of you?
I accidentally hit him. Sir, could we talk this out?
Is he fighting you now?
Wait, my last save was the auto save when just before I got the boots working. So I gotta do that again.
You
just
fucking
not the whole
idiot.
getting the boots, just putting the spell on.
You fucking idiot.
That'll take like 5 seconds.
I don't know why I'm laughing at this, but we have one of those things, like pin things, where it's like you stick your hand in it and it like there's a little, not sharp, but like little strips or pins, and you push your hand or something into it and it leaves the imprint. I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. I have one of those in my room right now, and I put an imprint of my face. And I'm just sitting there looking at it, and I'm just laughing because it looks like a fucking trapped soul.
Okay, boots on. There we go. I'm back.
Barbecue shoes on.
And then let me save here. Save. Is that not the save button I have?
God, that's a lot of phlegm in my throat doing that.
Yeah. The thing is, F5, I believe, is the actual save button.
Okay. Can we get an F in the chat for F5?
And I think it is. But that doesn't really work on laptops, so I'm gonna have to set it to this.
Flipping work on laptops.
Cause F5 has a different function.
Then press FN F5.
Oh, you're right.
You
Go
fool.
Well, I changed it to an easier key.
You feeble old fucker.
I changed it to an easier key. I changed it to backslash.
Backslash.
That way I don't like accidentally like stumble with saves. Cause like if I save at the wrong time by like accidentally pressing the save button, then my save can get totally fucked. But I won't accidentally press backslash because it's on the exact opposite side of the keyboard from the WASD keys.
The WASD.
Yes. Okay, and I'll save in here too. Yeah, give me orders. Yeah, talk to Asphalt, whatever. Asphalt. Can you stop that, Colin? It's sexual
Fuck, I
harassment.
didn't mean to press that button.
Press yellow for fun Star Wars sound.
Shut your fucking face.
I'll make you make fun Star Wars sounds.
I will fucking...
I will fuck your face. I forgot I still had the scrolls of summon skeleton.
Wait, hold on.
Sans!
I'm gonna do the funniest thing. Let me get a pillow.
After the beat, say something loud.
Get closer to the mic!
It sounds like head crabs!
Boots!
This is the sound of him running.
Fucking head crab be like. When you get head from a head crab.
I can't do it anymore. I can't do this anymore. I'm done after that.
Ow. My knees. Colin, come back! My knees are broken, Colin. I broke my knees.
Jesus Christ.
I broke my fucking knees again, Colin. Wait, I didn't talk to Haspot. I was just about to, like, go do the thing that he would ask me to do instead of talking to him.
Why did it sound like a fucking headcrab zombie? Evan, do your best impression of a headcrab zombie right now.
Shit.
That's when you set them on fire.
It's when you set him on fire and then play it backwards. I hate that so much. Why am I going in like so many fucking directions?
The rest of this video is just gonna be from our dog in the background.
Bup. Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the bup.
Yeah, Dormer puzzle box, I get it.
Another one fucks my butt.
Let's hear it.
Let's hear it. Let's get this bread. Ba-da-da-da-doom, doom, doom. Ba-da-da-doom, doom, da-doom. Ba-da-ba-da-boom. Okay, so this may be a dangerous trek to where I need to go. So, I'm just gonna get to where I need to go, and then that might be it for this episode. I'm just gonna get where I need to get, which
You should just have like a karaoke video of us singing fucking Another One Bites the Dust. Right now, I'm recording.
Oh, I broke my knees again.
Does that sound like content, Evan?
No.
No. I should do karaoke, but it's so scrumpular singing it.
Nah.
Yeah, it's stupid.
So, I gotta head to this place. It's right here, and this should be really easy to get there because of the boots.
Yeah.
This place also has Dwemer armor, which is
Dwemer?
Dwemer.
Oh, I like it, the Dwemer armor.
Which the Dwemer have a lot to do with this game later on.
Okay.
Oh god. I don't care.
Your long blade skills increased to 54, Evan. How do you feel?
I feel like a speed 5 gun.
I love that the grunts and screams show up in the text box.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing about this game.
Ah, shit.
You're a skeleton! Oh no, wait, you summoned a skeleton.
Yeah,
I thought when you died, you instantly turn into one.
that would be funny. Wait, why is it taking me back?
Speak freely,
to the normal
friend.
save? Oh yeah, because it's where I saved in the bed. Okay, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna summon a skeleton. And we're gonna beat his ass. My favorite thing about this game probably has to be just how wacky and zany it is.
Wacky.
Like, this game is so weird.
It's an Elder Scrolls game. You expected it to be not weird?
It's the weirdest one, though.
Are you hyped for Elder Scrolls 6?
A little bit.
We haven't fucking heard anything about it in years, have we?
Yeah.
The hell's going on over there, Todd? Can you do a good Todd Howard impression?
And again, it just works.
What? That's actually good.
Yeah, that actually was pretty good.
And then I'll do Reggie. My body is ready.
I can't wait to hop off
I
the
forgot.
battle
I
bus.
forgot about that. I can't wait to hop off the battle bus and meet some of you on the battlefield in Fort.
No, assassin. Assassin. Okay, so what I really hate about the Tribunal expansion for this game is that these assassins will attack you constantly.
Evan, we gotta do the meeting of the minds. This is Todd Howard and Reggie Fils-Aimé getting together to make the official Mario Elder Scrolls crossover game. Okay, go.
And again, it just works. The crossover, it just works. We haven't even told you about it. We haven't even told you about it yet, but again, it just works.
I don't know what you're talking about, Mr. Howard, and I don't know how you got into my house, but please leave. You're scaring my family.
Is your body ready?
For what?
I might let you live.
I don't know.
Please don't touch me.
And again,
This
what?
is getting homoerotic really fast.
And again, it just what's a what's an omega symbol? Is there a vowel?
Are you doing all right, Tyler?
Could you please just get the fuck out of the street? You're really bothering me.
Is this actual things he said?
No, I've turned Todd into Jerma.
Why is it Jerma?
Because Joel, get the fuck out of my stream. I'm not eating at Heart Attack Grill.
Okay, so this is Reggie officially adding Jerma to Smash.
No, he's adding Glue Man to Smash.
Glue Man.
Yeah, from Jerma Rumble.
Yes, dude. Except Reggie doesn't work there anymore. He works at GameStop.
What?
Yeah, he's like one of the main people behind like the head of GameStop.
GameStop is a dying company.
Yeah.
Did you hear they consider themselves an essential service? And thus they're not shutting down?
Well, they are now. They don't have a choice.
But they considered themselves an essential service so they wouldn't shut down.
Dude. But yeah, hopefully Reggie can take the reins and make the company less shitty.
Yeah.
But anyway, I gotta do the voice that they use the translator for Sakurai. So it's like, please take a look.
Yeah, I love
Today
that
I would like
voice.
to announce that we are adding Glue Man, the famous character from Jerma Rumble, to Smash Bros. His backstory is that he sniffed too much glue, and it became a part of his bloodstream.
Okay, now
Does Glue Man have a backstory?
I don't know.
I don't watch movies, so I
I'm looking for something in particular because I think this is the place where if you wander into the wrong area, you will be absolutely assaulted by robot spiders and Dwemer ghosts.
You're hardly
I'm not even doing good impressions. I don't have a lot of good impressions I can do. I've been working on my own.
I love how this game just makes me kill people without questioning it.
Joe. Now. Joe.
But then again, why should I question when I kill people in this game? Because people assault me all the time, and the game's supposed to be like, oh, don't question it.
Michelle, I kid you not. Turned himself into a pickle.
Like, why are these people even
Called
here?
Pickle Rick. Funniest shit I've ever seen.
Okay,
I haven't done it in a while. My Obama's starting to get worse because I'm not doing it as
okay,
often.
so you want to pick up these Dwemer coins, because these Dwemer coins are essentially the Elder Scrolls equivalent of the pre-war money in Fallout.
Alright.
They are quite valuable.
You tell me that like I know anything about Fallout.
Well, pre-war money is just, you know, a currency that's not really in use anymore, but you can still trade it for your main game currency, and it's pretty valuable.
This game's got good sound, isn't it?
No one can
Yeah.
catch me.
You just walk up to the first person you see and just start beating shit.
Yeah, because I know they're gonna try and kill me. I don't think there's a single person in this Dwemer rune that doesn't try to kill you. Like, in these Dwemer runes that don't try to kill you.
What nice people.
You know, people play this game and they wonder, like, why am I missing so much? And, like, that was something I thought of, like, when I first played this game, but now it's just like...
What would you do if Sir Grumpy Lord just walked into your house one day?
Oh, this guy doesn't try to kill... Yes, he does.
How would you, yeah, what would you do if Sir Grumpy Lord, not even like a guy dressed as him, just like the actual model in game, just like in real life, walked into your house like that and just started taking your stuff?
I only have one skeleton, so I'm not gonna...
Would you try fighting him like a Morrowind character? Where you just start limply swinging at him and then he hits you and you go, "Ah."
Well, I know I don't have a whole lot of weapon skill, so I'd probably miss all my attacks.
Yeah.
So I don't think I would try and fight him. I wouldn't want to risk getting killed. I would just call the police. Though I'm not sure the police could even fight him.
We have reports of a,
Ooh, bad.
I was going to start describing him, and then I remembered he's a dead dog, and I was just like, and I immediately started thinking of fucking police brutality jokes.
Okay, well, yeah.
Is that the end of the video?
No, not because of your joke, but because of, like, saves.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not because of your joke, it's because of saves.
I know, I'm apologizing to the viewers. So is that the end of the video then?
Hey, I have a save before the bridge. But, so this will be where we start off for the next video. I will save again here. And then I will hard save again. You know, just to make sure I don't continue fucking up saves. Gamers...
Gay!
This will save over the other gamers save.
Okay.
Right, let me see if it did.
We should end on a funny joke, Evan.
Crack.
Why did I actually laugh at that?